Justine, and today we are checking out the brand new iPad Pro. I am so excited about this. Not only do we have the iPad Pro to check out, but we also have the brand new Magic keyboards that come in this nice white color. You may notice that I'm somewhere different right now. I am actually in my childhood room at my parents' house, fully vaxxed, back visiting my parents, and it's kind of cool because I'm actually back where I started making videos to begin with. And today we are here doing an unboxing where basically it all started. I brought one of these old school iMacs down from the attic that my parents have saved that I used to use when I was here. Anyway, nostalgia aside, one of the main highlights in the new iPad Pro is the fact that they put an M1 chip inside of this thing. And this is honestly super exciting because that's gonna make this thing so incredibly powerful that it really is setting this iPad up to be able to do some really amazing things. Maybe even run Final Cut Pro. That is me crossing my fingers and hoping that one day that is a reality. You can upgrade the storage to 2 terabytes, and if you get the cellular version, they're also 5G enabled, which is very, very exciting. Have I said that I'm excited yet? Because if I didn't, I just want to clarify. I'm excited. Let's unbox. So this is the 12.9 version. This is the largest version that they have. It says silver. I haven't actually had one of the silver Pros. Every single time I've been super into the graphite, but now that they have this white keyboard, I was very excited to check out the silver. Oh my goodness. The smell of new technology, so exciting. One thing that I do wish that they would have integrated into this is the fingerprint Touch ID into the power button like they did in the iPad Air. That is honestly one of the best features that they really have come out with in a long time. Look at this, the beautiful shining shimmering Apple logo. I'm like a child Christmas morning. Like always, we have our instructions, power brick, and USB-C cable. One of the things that I'm really excited about is being able to use Thunderbolt drives now on the iPad Pro, and this is the Envoy Pro FX by OWC. And OWC has been my storage solution for a very long time, so I'm very excited about this drive specifically because not only does it have incredibly fast read-write speeds, but it's also very durable. So I added almost exclusively off of external OWC drives. So not only is this a drive that I plan on using with the iPad, but I also use this drive with my computers. I'll be talking a little bit more about this drive and give you guys a demo of how it works when I'm editing externally on the iPad. A huge thank you to OWC for hooking me up with this drive to test out with the new iPad and for being such an incredible partner for this video. This Magic keyboard honestly changed the way that I use my iPad when it first came out, and it came out at a really kind of interesting time sort of during the pandemic where I started using my iPad almost more than I was using my computer. Look at this. This white version is so pretty, and the reason that they call it Magic is because it does have pass-through charging in the base right here, and you magnetically attach it to the case and it sticks and charges using that pass-through charging. Open up, little dude. Oh my gosh, it looks so fresh. It's like a snowy day back here in the East Coast. This is so clean, I don't even want to touch it. It's too beautiful and pristine. Check this out. It looks so good. I'm freaking out. Oh, this keyboard looks so good. The screen looks incredible. I can't wait to get back to California to be able to connect this to my XDR display because you can actually connect these to the Pro Display XDRs and get a full 6K output. So one iPad has been unboxed, 11-inch Magic keyboard, 11-inch iPad Pro. I love the iPad. It is just such a magical little device. The 11-inch is a pretty great size, I will say. Look at this, it's perfect. Charging brick, USB-C, like always. Having the smaller iPad is definitely more ideal for my scenario. Like, this is such a great size. I mean, look at the size difference. It's pretty significant. The fact that I've been using the 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro, this is almost the same size as it. Almost bigger than the MacBook Pro. It's a little bit taller. The MacBook Pro is a little wider. Apple Pencils! There you go. So with this new M1 chip that is now in the iPad Pros, we're going to be getting 50% faster CPU, 40% faster graphics, 2 times faster storage, and the thing I'm really excited about is the Thunderbolt support now, which will allow us to have faster read-write speeds when we're using an external drive. So we're on on set right now, and yesterday we filmed a bunch of unboxings with these iMacs, and what's cool is I already have all of the footage transferred onto the Envoy Pro FX. Now, on my iPad, since this is plugged in and we have Thunderbolt support, I can quickly transfer files. I can also edit right here in LumaFusion. So here it is. I have one of the clips already imported here, and I can import clips directly from this drive when I link it all up. And I'm gonna link up iMac shoot day 1, and here it is. Like, I can edit right here on my iPad. It's cool because LumaFusion is now going to have multicam support, so you'll be able to edit multicam streams, which I mostly do 2-cam shoots every time. So look, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I can link those up and be able to edit just like I would on my computer. This is playing back so well too. I mean, all of this is directly from the Sony camera. 422, 10-bit, it's beautiful. The starting price for the 12.9 inch is $10.99 and the 11 inch is $7.99. In my last iPad Pro review, I did an entire video that I shot everything on my iPhone and edited all in LumaFusion. Once you kind of get the hang of it, and having an editor that is kind of created in a touch-based environment is really kind of amazing.